Are you tired of always looking for the next winning product to test? Or maybe you're struggling to find a niche that generates consistent sales? If that sounds like you, then pay close attention, because in this video, I'll be sharing the top 10 ways to find winning products for your dropshipping store. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest ecom tips. My name's Alex, let's get right into the video. Alright, so this first method that I have for you guys is a very powerful product research tool that has been around since I've been dropshipping. And I've been in the game for over 5 years myself, so this is still very important to use as a dropshipper to this day. This is the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. I'm sure many of you guys have heard of this and used it yourself. You guys can access this by going on ds.aliexpress.com. And as you guys can see right here under the Find Products to Sell, we can search for different products on the platform, or we can just go ahead and click on Top Selection, and it's going to show you the top performing products for each category. So right at the top, we're already on toys and hobbies. We can click on sports and entertainment. It's going to show you all the top products in that category. We have jewelry and accessories, beauty and health, home and garden, and all of that good stuff. There's so many different categories for you guys to choose. So if you guys already have a niche selected and you guys are looking for more products to include on your store, this is a great way to do that just by simply selecting what industry you're in and seeing what products are currently performing for that industry. There's some information on each product that shows the actual sales growth, the customer feedback, and just overall how the product is performing on AliExpress. If we go back over to find products on the entire platform, there's some criteria that you guys can select up here. You guys can choose the category once again, so whatever niche you guys are in, or if you guys want to sell a certain category of products, make sure to select it right there. We have the ship from option. If you guys want US based suppliers only, you would click United States on there. You guys can select if you want free shipping, a video on the listing. So a lot of times I'll click video so that I can actually get some footage together to create video ads for while I'm waiting for the product to arrive at my house, while I'm just validating the idea and testing the product. Same with local stock right there. You guys can select some pricing criteria, your minimum price, your maximum price. You guys can include any search terms and actually search by image. So another great way to find winning products is searching on the search terms right here, just by typing in VIP, click submit. And you guys are gonna find a ton of different VIP links on AliExpress for a ton of different products. All right, so right here are all of the current VIP listings that are hitting some numbers on AliExpress. So simply, a VIP listing is just a listing that a AliExpress seller will create for you when you ask them to. If you guys are selling a certain amount of a product every single day, say 50 units a day, and you come to a supplier and say, hey, can you lower your pricing on this listing right here? I'm currently selling 50 units per day. I'll be increasing that shortly. Do you support dropshipping? Blah, blah, blah. They'll actually create a VIP link for you that hides your sales, hides the data, a lot of times actually hides the products, and allows you to continue scaling with a private line of logistics. So a great way to find suppliers is just by typing in VIP on AliExpress, and you're gonna see all of these different VIP links that other dropshippers are currently using for their own stores. All right, method number 2, we're gonna be doing some ad research. This is probably the most advanced AdSpy tool on the market right now, and this is MINEA. So right here, we're looking for winning products on the Facebook ads platform. You guys can see all the different criteria down here. You guys can select the date, let's say the last 30 days that we want the ad shown up as. The countries, say we want ads displayed only from the United States. Shopify platforms, and we want a minimum of, let's say, 10,000 to 1 million likes. So these are all the products in the last 30 days that meet this criteria. So just scrolling through here, treating this as the Facebook ads library, you guys can find a ton of winning dropshipping products that you would never have found before. If we go over here on the left-hand side, click on AdSpy, we can actually move from Facebook ads to Pinterest ads to then TikTok ads. So once again, we can click on TikTok ads, put in the same criteria, last 30 days. This time we want to see ads in Canada for Shopify stores with at least, let's say, 1,000 likes. So this is all of the different TikTok ads that meet that criteria. They're displayed in Canada, have 1,000 likes, and they link you to a Shopify store. So this is a great way to find winning products. You guys can input different criteria, see what delivers the best results. And then once again, you guys can actually click on shops over here. And it's just gonna show you the top performing Shopify stores and some data based on each one of those. So this is a very powerful tool. I definitely recommend signing up for this and seeing what it can do for your own store. All right, method number 3 is quick and easy. This is just Sell This Now. You guys can go on sellthisnow.com. I actually think they have a YouTube channel as well. But they're searching for winning products using all the same AdSpy tools as me, searching all the same competitors, looking at all the same products, analyzing the same exact data. So I'm going to give them a shout out and give them props in this video because it's well deserved. But if you guys go on sellthisnow.com, they're gonna show you all the top trending products, get out of that pop-up, that are currently performing well on TikTok. And what's added as a bonus is if we click on one of these products right here, they have a ton of ads. They're actually really monetizing this website with Google AdSense. They're really making money off you with their ads that they have popping up. But you guys can't complain because of all the free value that you're getting out of this with all these winning products. But like I just mentioned, what's great about this is they have the AliExpress link. So they already found winning suppliers for you guys. They already include great shipping time, great product quality. They're already well-established suppliers that you guys can just plug in and start working with right away. They include a Facebook ad that you guys can look at as an example. A lot of times they also include TikTok ads as well. And then they always include a product page, just like I do in my winning product videos, that show you a store that's already selling this product so that you guys can know what improvements you want to make and what's already working for other brands. All right, my next product research method is another great tool with a ton of features that you guys can use. This is Dropship Rabbit. You guys can find this on dropshiprabbit.com. But right over here under free service, one of my personal favorite tools to use on here is this free TikTok AdSpy. It's gonna show you all the top performing TikToks and what products they're promoting to allow you guys to get an idea of what the current trends are and what you guys should be hopping on to sell yourselves. Unlike many other AdSpy tools on the market, this is actually up to date with current information so you guys aren't missing out and selling any saturated products. This is even more powerful than scrolling TikTok made me buy it because it's gonna show you products that you would have never found before. All right, so my 5th product research method is another great one. This is the Temu bestseller tab, just like the Amazon bestseller tab if you're familiar with that. But Temu is just like AliExpress. It's a consumer shopping app based in China, but they overall have better suppliers, better pricing, better shipping speeds, and much higher product quality. This is a much better option than AliExpress, but the only downside is they do not let you dropship on their platform with traditional dropshipping methods as you would on AliExpress. There is a way around this. I have reached out to them directly, and I actually am running my own dropshipping stores on Temu, well, one of my dropshipping stores. But the downside with that is I still have to use Temu's packaging and branding. So there's really no way for me to create a brand around this product when I'm simply using Temu's packaging. So I just use it to test and validate ideas or build and scale quick little brands that I can then sell once I've reached the profit that I want to. But anyways, the Temu bestseller tab is going to show you the top performing products on this app based on consumer trends. So you guys can hop on this to see what exactly people are buying themselves. Then you can build a store around it, start running ads to people that don't know this product even exists yet, and really build a brand around it and scale it. You don't have to use Temu suppliers. You guys can then go on to find AliExpress suppliers or private lines of logistics. But this is just a great way to scroll through and find any trending products that you guys wouldn't have thought of anywhere else. All right, number 6 is the Amazon bestseller tab. We can't just cover the Temu bestseller tab and not talk about Amazon because this is another very powerful e-commerce platform and they actually generate the majority of online sales. So this is your number 1 competitor right here. So you might as well hop on and see what exactly people are buying from Amazon. So the great part about right here are the different categories you guys can select on the left-hand side. There are so many different categories that you guys can choose based on your own niche or what kind of products you guys want to sell or even what exact categories are trending in the current moment. So anyways, it's going to show you the best-selling products in clothes, shoes, and jewelry, kitchen and dining, beauty and personal care, automotive. Just go ahead and select some categories over here on the left-hand side and explore what the best selling products are in each category. All right guys, number 7, I can't make a video about finding winning products without mentioning my winning product notifications. So right here on ecom-advantage.com/winning products, it's much easier if you click the link in the description. It'll take you to this page that you see right here. You guys enter your email address right there. I will hand deliver the top winning products every 2 weeks straight to your email inbox. Me and my team do all of the heavy lifting for you so that all you have to do is plug these products into your own store, create content around them, and start generating sales right away. As you guys can see right here is an example of a product that you guys would receive in the Winning Products newsletter. This is from January 2022. I show you the product, I give a little description of the product. I show you, the data behind the reason that I actually picked the product. So right here are the Google Trends data that it's going to start picking up once again during this time of year. Once again, I give a little description, then I go over the actual product pricing and ad interest. So I tell you guys how much this product costs, how much you should sell it for. I link a couple of stores that are already selling this product, link a couple of ads that are already selling this product, and then I actually tell you guys what interest you guys need to start using on Facebook ads right away to start selling this product. All right, research method number 8 is very powerful once again because you guys are gonna find real winning products in real time. This is TikTok. You guys just wanna go on TikTok and type in certain hashtags like hashtag TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds or anything similar to that. And it's gonna show you all the top performing videos for these hashtags that are highlighting certain products that are selling for other e-commerce stores. This is much easier when you're on a phone. I'm currently on my laptop right now, but when you guys are on a phone, you guys can include certain filters like seen in the last week. You guys can sort it by like count and all of that, so you guys cannot waste any time and just get right to the current trending products that are selling that week. All right, number 9 is kind of a 2-for-1. I'm gonna be giving you guys 2 different product research methods that both cover Facebook. So first you guys wanna install My Ad Finder on whichever browser you guys use. I use Google Chrome, I have it installed on there. But what this extension does is when you guys go on Facebook, it hides any post on your feed that is not an ad. So you guys can scroll through Facebook and only see advertisements from your competitors and other dropshipping stores and really see what people are selling on Facebook ads based on, the amount of ad spend, how many times you see that ad, the engagement with the actual ad, how long it's been running. You guys can really get an idea of what products are selling for what brands based on using My Ad Finder. So go ahead and download that. You guys can start seeing Facebook ads on your newsfeed. This is a very powerful tool. It's been in the dropshipping space as long as I have. But we also want to go over to the Facebook ads library right here. This is available for you when you guys sign up for Facebook ads. You guys want to click add category, all ads. And then for the keyword search right here, you guys are going to want to type in common search terms in the dropshipping space or anything that is included in your niche. So for example, I can just type in shop now and it's gonna show all the different ads that include the terms shop now, or you guys can say like 50% off or any common search terms in the dropshipping space. Or if you guys are selling, certain pet products, you guys can type in dog leash and see all the different dog leash ads that are currently running on Facebook right now. All right, my last product research method for you guys is mild.com. This allows you to scan all of the different brands' email newsletters and see what products they're promoting in their email promotions. As you guys probably know, email marketing is very important in e-commerce. It's actually one of my favorite ways to sell products. It's so fun to set up all of your email flows beforehand and then think of content for any promotional emails and really just speak to your audience through this marketing channel. But if you guys scroll through here, you guys can see the latest emails from hot brands. It's gonna show you all these different brands and their promotional emails, what products they're promoting, what kind of language they're using for their audience, so that you guys can go through and get inspiration and ideas for your own brands. You guys can look up different brands within your niche, different products, different categories, and just get an overall idea of what products are selling for what brand, what they're really focused on, what they're highlighting, what kind of offers they're coming up with, what kind of creatives they're coming up with, anything that has to do with their branding and their sales strategy, you guys can get an inside look at through their email marketing on mild.com. I hope you found a ton of value in these strategies. And if this video helped you, remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I also have a ton of free resources linked for you in the description down below. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.